Welcome to another episode Reno with your boy JMA. On this episode, I'm going to mount a 34-inch TV onto a wall using recycling wood. Now you guys are like, why don't you just buy one TV mount from Amazon or Best Buy? Yes, I could do that. I do have the fund. $50, maybe under $100. But why not, learn it, gain the experience, and share the journey with you guys, which I love to do. I did watch a couple videos on YouTube and see how people did this using wood. Now, I did learn a few things here and there but I'm going to make it, make my own. It's always good to learn something and find a way to make it your own, which is what I'm going to do today, and I want to share this with you guys. So we are in the studio. This is where I do my woodwork, and we're about to do this. So let's go. I said, I did watch a couple video where the idea was very simple. So basically, you would take a 2x4, measure to the back of the TV where the holes would be, and then you would take your 2x4, cut it on an angle. To do that, you need a special table saw where you can put the wood on an angle and cut it. I don't have it, so basically I came with an idea that is, again, simple, but I'm still using the 2x4, but with a couple pieces that I saved from a previous project. I try to keep certain things that I believe that I may use in the future. This is the exact moment. So this will be attached to the wall, my 2x4. This will be attached to the back of the TV. This will be just like this. Now, to attach this so you make sure it stays, I'll be using this. All right, safety, always safety. So I already measure my 2x4, so I'm gonna make it 18-inch, just because I want it to fit between the two beam, because it's 16-inch, but I want it just a little bit longer. There it is. Having this piece really locked it in, and this having then be able to twist this, so then I can take it as easily as possible, and then I can put it back, twist it, and lock it. Basically, that's what it is. So I'm gonna take it apart, remove all the piece. I'm gonna spray paint this black. I'm gonna sand this cream on the side so it's smooth, even though this piece is gonna be into the wall. I want it smooth, and then not so much of an edge, give it more of a round, and yeah, and then we'll put this together. guys, I'm going to show you the mount that I did for the TV that's going to be in the kids room, where, you know, with 2x4 and also some scrap metal that I found in my studios. Also show you what I did to secure the wires. So let's go. So TV's on that wall there, where they can, you know, see it from when you enter the room. A little bit slanted, which I wanted, because, you know, if they're sitting on the floor, they can watch the TV. Now, just to show you guys, there's the 2x4, and then on top you will see the piece of material that I find to be able to make it work, so it's holding. All right, and then so for the wire, this is a regular plug that it's plugged, but then I just got this little piece of things that I'm able to secure it in the wall so it's not hanging, and then everything it's attached in the back with an Amazon stick, so they can get access to Amazon, Netflix, also JMA YouTube channel, so they can watch, you know, themselves, you know, on Daddy's channel. So yeah, this is it. I'm happy with it. You know, it was easy. Just had to, you know, figure the material to make it work. But yeah, I like the experience. I probably will do this again, but different way. So, you know, in another way. Hope you guys enjoyed this. If you wanna, you know, use that same step, just make sure it works for you. It works for the room. Yeah, and just like that. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and help me grow my channel by subscribing. Put that notification on, and just like that, you boy JMA out. Peace.